feel makes Owatonna stand out from other host cities?
Owatonna is a really good community, and the people are great. Owatonna is so centrally located. You're within an hour of any major city, so wherever you want to go, you're within 45 minutes. You know, the Village of Yesteryear, and then you got the Woolen mills over in Faribault, and they're going to go down to Mineral Springs Park, all gather down there, and they're going to go downtown Owatonna.
There's all kinds of Model T stuff out there, and it's an interesting car because of what it did for the United States as a country. It basically let the average person have a car, which opened up the whole country to basically anybody. So it's a very important car. They're not terribly hard to work on, and they're not terribly expensive. It's just, they're fun to monkey with.
Just you wait to listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away when the hurricane comes in. Well, I'm the only island in the way, but I was born to fight the wind and rain. Sometimes a man
In or mid-August, Mark and Sherry Cameron came to the mill and took a tour actually with me. At the end of it, he had said, great, I think this is something we're interested in adding to the Model T tour next year. So manufacturing in the United States is almost become a lost art, especially in the wool industry and the textile industry. It's just really fun to let people actually come through the tour and to see what we do. They can read about it, hear about it, and we can talk about it in the store when they come to shop, but it's a completely different thing when they can actually see the machines, see the scale of what we're doing. It really puts everything into perspective.
Model T tour, this national, international Model T tour coming to Owatonna, it kind of puts the eyes of
a certain percentage of the country on Owatonna. With 225 cars and 400 some people coming from around the country to Owatonna, obviously you bring that many people into this town, it's going to have a big economic benefit. Fabulous opportunity to show off Owatonna. And again, those things that we know are special about this place that we live in. It's this place that we